How to perform permanent pothole repair with iSphalt 6.5 in winter without any heavy equipment. Step 1. Clean the surrounding area of the pothole with water. Step 2. Pour the iSphalt 6.5 into the pothole. Step 3. Level the product with your boots and compact it with your weight. Make sure the repair is half an inch to 1 inch above the surrounding asphalt for second compaction with the traffic. Step 4. Pour water on the repair area to prevent the product from sticking to the tires. Immediately ready for traffic without waiting times. As you can see, with car traffic, the product is installed alone, at the same level as the surrounding asphalt. iSphalt 6.5, a nanotechnology cold asphalt mix for permanent pothole repair. Easy to use, with or without equipment, in all weather conditions. The product is available in Canada and the United States.